Yes. Now start students again. I repeat the topic, basic concept of the elementary transformation. First we start the basic part of this. Again we start the questions again. By using the elementary, find the inverse of the matrix by using the elementary transformation. For example, if A is a square matrix of order 3, first row A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then how we can find out the elementary find the inverse of the matrix by using the elementary transformation. So we know that A equals to IA by the same condition. I is the unit matrix. Any unit matrix multiply the matrix, then we get the matrix as it is. So putting the value of A, I is the unit matrix, and this A as it is. The first step of the elementary transformation, first we write down change A11 as 1 by adding rows either R2 or R3, R1, or subtracting or multiplied by any constant or subtracted dividing by any constant. If we apply the row transformation, then we इन होल क्वेश्चन भी अप्लाई था रो, अगर एक बार आपने रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अप्लाई कर दिया तो पूरे में रो ही ऑपरेशन को यूज करना है, नॉट यूजिंग द कॉलम. सो बाय यूजिंग द रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, फर्स्ट वी चेंज A11 as 1 by addition, adding or subtracting the rows for second or third row in first. Then after, if you change A11 as 1, then after this we now change all the elements of the remaining element of the first column becomes 0. इस कॉलम पे जो बाकी A11 1 आ गया, इसके बाद जितने भी एलिमेंट है उनको 0 में कन्वर्ट करना है by using the same property R2 minus R1 or R2 plus R1 or R3 minus R1, whatever the condition is required. After this now we change A22 as 1. A22 as 1 by the same condition, either adding or subtracting, we change all the remaining element of the second column becomes 0. After this, all A22 as 1, then after this all the remaining element this and this becomes 0 by using the row transformation properties of row. Then after this A33 as 1. A33 as 1, first you check what is the number this. If it is 1 is already there, then okay. If it is not 1, then this whole third row divided by that constant. Third row divided by that constant, then we get the 1. If you got this one, then we again write down the remaining element of this third column becomes 0. Then we get this is the unit matrix. If we apply any operation in the left hand side, then we use same operation in the right hand side also. If this one is the unit matrix, then I equals to B into A. The product of two matrices equals to unit matrix. Therefore, this is the inverse of A. Then we find out the inverse. Again, by using this property, how we can find out the inverse of the. Again, I repeat the question related to this. Using the elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix A 1 2 3 2 5 7 minus 2 minus 4 and 5. So A equals to I, putting the value of A, I is the unit matrix A as it is. The first step, A11 as 1. In this question, the A11 is already 1. The first step is okay. Then after the second step, now we change all the remaining elements of this column becomes 0. Then how we can change this one 0? In R2, to R2 minus twice of R1. In R3 plus twice of R1. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई इसमें ऐड किया तो 0 हो जाएगा. मींस फर्स्ट कॉलम के बाकी एलिमेंट्स को 0 में कन्वर्ट करना है. Then first in R2 minus twice of R1, 5 minus 4, 7 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 1 as it is. For a third row in R3 plus twice of R1, 0, twice 0, 6 minus 5, 1. In the same, minus 2, 0 and 1. Sorry, add 2, 0 and 1. You got this 1, the remaining element of the first column becomes 0. After this, now we check A22 as 1. In this question A to D is already 1. If this one is 1, then we again change the remaining element of this column becomes 0. So in R1 minus twice of R2, because A32 is already 0. So in R1 minus twice of R2, 1 as it is, 0, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 2 and 0. And the remaining second row as it is and third row as it is. Yes. Now after this A33 as well. Again in this question A3 is already 1. Then we change the remaining element of this column becomes 0. So in R1 minus R3, in R2 minus R3. R1 minus R3 and R2 minus R3. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So 5 minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0 and 0 and minus 1. This first row. Second, R2 minus R1, 0 minus 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1. And third row as it is. Again we check, this is the unit matrix. Let me suppose that this is the matrix B and A. If the product of two matrix equals to unit matrix, therefore B is the inverse of A. A inverse equals to B. And what is B? B is this matrix. Okay. This is the inverse of the matrix A by using the elementary transformation. Now you start. After this, you do the homework. Find the inverse of the following matrix by using the elementary transformation. First is a matrix 2, 3, 5, 7. Find the inverse of this matrix by using the elementary transformation. Second, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. This matrix is square matrix of order 2, scale matrix of order 3, scale matrix of order 2 and scale matrix of order 3. Now you solve these 4 questions by using the elementary transformation. Okay.